So let's make discipline so easy to the point where people think that you're psychotic. People think that you're crazy. People think that you're literally David Goggins on a mission in the relentless pursuit to greatness, to taming the chaos, to documenting the chaos and weaponizing your mind. And the lesson that I want to teach or like share with you today is while I was scrolling through TikTok looking for video ideas to make into my own, I came upon this video telling a story about this dude called Euphrates. And he was on a ship with his men, and then he was passing by the rock where there was a bunch of sirens. And if you know your Greek mythology, you know what sirens are. Are basically these mermaid like creatures where if they sing, they attract you closer and closer to them, leading you to your own death. They're like kind of, how the devil leads you to temptation, but leading you to your own detriment, right? And Euphrates was going to pass by that rock because he needed to get somewhere with his crew. But then he realized that he's no different from the thousands of men who've passed by that rock and have been attracted to those sirens and died. Like he's not different. He's not him. He literally said that himself. So what he did is that he tied himself to the ship and put wax in his ear so that he wouldn't hear the voices of the sirens. And so he kind of made the barrier to him resisting temptation so that it would make him easier to use discipline. And for you, you can do this to your own life. You can do this in anything that you want to put your mind to, anything that's causing strain in your life. You can use the Refetus rule, whether it comes to your fitness, whether it comes to your phone addiction, whether it comes to your gooning, whether it comes to your spiritual life, whether it comes to your work or your schoolwork, bro. Like literally, you can use this anywhere. And I can give you examples as well. Like, let's say you do not want to use your phone the first thing you wake up in the morning. Using the reflectors, what you would do is number one, buy an old school clock for your alarm and put your phone in another room. Thus helping you resist the temptation of opening your phone and going onto these apps. Because why? These apps are very attractive. There's no way you're going to resist the pull of TikTok and Instagram. So it's better to leave your phone in another room. Like another example, maybe when it comes to your fitness or your diet, right? When it comes to your fitness and training, instead of trying to wake up and then you get ready for the gym and trying to fight all these temptations of not going to the gym, right? All you have to do is maybe the night before you go to bed, you set up your gym bag, you put the shoes to for the gym right beside your bed, or even go to bed wearing your gym clothes. So when you wake up, the first thing you do is put on your shoes and get your bag, and you're heading out the door. You're not thinking about, I have to wear this, I have to do this thing, I have to do this thing. And when it comes to your diet, instead of trying to like fight the temptations of, I shouldn't buy this snack, I shouldn't do this, only go to one shop where it has all the necessary ingredients and products that you need to buy for your diet. Not going to that store where this it has candy, this place has this sweetener and type thing. Like, you only go to one store and buy the products that are on your list that are necessary for you to have a good diet. Like, bro, it's just a matter of eliminating choice, removing emotion from the equation, and just leaving the choice of you taking the action that you need to take in order to achieve your goal. Like, bro, it's just like removing everything else, just focusing on that one thing. Where working out becomes inevitable. Waking up on time and not using your phone the first thing you do every morning becomes inevitable. It's just a matter of applying the Euphrates rule and limiting the choice of temptation in your life. You can apply this to anything that you want, like the few examples that I gave, or something else that is straining to your life. Like, let's go to a deeper topic, like gooning, for example, right? Because you know for a fact that times you goon. Maybe you're alone, maybe when you're bored. And so it's just a matter of leaving the device that you use to access the porn somewhere else where you usually go to goon. Maybe if you goon in your bedroom and you know the urge is coming, leave your phone in another room and go outside. If you usually goon in the toilet, usually give yourself the rule that I do not go to the bathroom with my phone, whether it's to brush my teeth, whether it's to take a shower, whether it's to take a shit. Like, bro, you do not go to that place with that device. You leave it somewhere else. You do something else without that device, so that you do not get the temptation of gooning, so that you make it hard for yourself to actually enact in that thing. So this is how you become disciplined to the point where people think you're psychotic, to the point where people think that you're mad. And with that, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a comment down. I want to hear your thoughts. And yeah, goodbye, Kaizen.